Welcome back. And in spring of 2024, hopefully February or March, we're gonna have a piece of level up 3. And in this class, it's gonna get a little bit more challenging, but a lot more action and a lot more fun. And like always, we're gonna do a lot of shooting and we're gonna improve a lot. And I took my buddy Doug to demonstrate our class level up 3. Secondary is also with our race gun. And here we're gonna double tap 5 target transition. And this is not easy. And my personal goal is to break 5 seconds.
.88.
4.88.
Very good. 4.64.
Woo!
Make it safe.
.46. Time 7.86. Get ready for the next round. Time 7.47. Nice. Make safe. Time 7.99. Very good.